Hello, welcome back once again. Let's deal with this AutoCAD 2D exercise. Okay, so before we start, let's get the dimensions. Please, if today is your first time of visiting the channel, kindly I recommend that you subscribe to the channel and then you like and you follow for more projects and drawings like this. Okay, so with this 2D drawing, you can see these two circles are equal and the center to center dimension is 120 millimeters. Okay, and you can also see there's a vertical distance over here from this center to this center is 110 millimeters. Okay, and there's a small circle here, also the height is 24 millimeters. Now if you check the center, there is a triangle here, and what will help us draw the triangle is a circle. There's a circle, if you can see a hidden circle here with diameter of 50. So we will see how you do it. And look at this radius 30, 20. Okay, so let's begin and see how you draw it. So we will start from this side, okay, having a diameter of 52 and 22. So let's do that. So you take your circle command, center diameter, click here. The diameter is, we have 52 and 22, so enter 52, zoom out, then click again, center diameter, then 22. Okay, now if you check the center to center distance is 120, so you copy. So copy this one, use your shortcut CO, press enter, click anywhere and then drag, enter 120. Okay, so we are done with the down. Let's draw this smaller circle. See, let's draw it in the center here and then remove it up and down. So it's having a diameter of 20, so click center diameter. Now right click and then select mid between 2 points. Now click here and click here. Okay, it will automatically locate the center. Now enter diameter of 20. All right, now if you check the distance from this center to the down here is 24. Okay, so you copy this one, use your shortcut CO, click anywhere, drag it down, enter 24. Okay, now the same way, if you check from this center upward, is from this side to here is 110, so you enter 110. Okay, all right, so you can delete this one, you don't need it. Now let's apply fillet here with the radius of 63. So select fillet radius, enter 63, click this circle and click this. Now there's another one down here, it's a tangent arc with radius 115, so we'll use the tan radius. Select the circle command, tan radius. Now click here and click here, enter 115. I hope it's 115. Okay, so it's 115, then you press enter. You see, now let's trim. Use your shortcut TR for trim command and then you click to trim. Okay, now let's see how we are going to draw this one. There's a radius of 30. Okay, so click circle, center radius, enter 30. Good. Now there's a line coming down 24 from this side, so take the line command, select the quadrant, come down, enter 24. Now you can select this one, solely the line, and mirror it. I'm using the shortcut MI for mirror. Select no, then trim TR. Okay, now there's a line joining this end and this circle, so just take the line command, press shift key, right click, and then you select tangent. Okay, from this side and join it to this place. Now you can mirror this one, select it, select mirror, locate the center and click no. Okay, so you can see this side is also done. Now let's see how we can draw this triangle. Now you can see the circle diameter is 50 and the center distance is also 50. So you draw a circle. Let's draw a circle. Center diameter, right click, press shift key, right click, and then select mid between 2 points. Click here, okay, and then enter the diameter is 50. So enter 50. Now you can move this one up 50. Okay, so it will be there in the center. Now let's go for a polygon. So go to this side, select polygon, and then it says enter number of side. So you enter 3. Enter 3. Then you select the center. The center is here, and then it is inscribed. Okay, if you look at the circle, it's inside the triangle. So you select inscribe, and then make sure the edge is touching this quadrant of the circle there. Alright, and click. Now it has a radius of 10. So you will take fillet, click radius, enter 10, press enter, and then you click multiple, so that it will help us to finish all of it at once. Okay, so you can see we are almost done with the work. Now you can see this line, this circle here is not a full line, it's short dashes. So select it, come to properties. Now you can see you can't find the short dash lines here, so go to order, and then you click on load. Now you select the short dash that you want. I prefer this one. Click OK. Now click it from here, then click OK. Select the circle again, and then come here and then select it. Okay, so you can see it's now there. Okay, now everything is done. So what you can do here now is to add our center marks, but before then let me reduce the line weight of this. Now before then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a layer, and then I'll put my dimensions on it. Alright, so click on layer properties, then I'll give it a name. I'll give it a name. Now if I like, I can change the color of my, let me choose yellow. Okay, and I'm going to change the line weight as well, because the default one is this, which is too thick. I don't want that one, so I'll just choose 0.25 and click OK, and I'll close it. Alright, so now let's dimension our work. So click, let's start with diameter first. So we have this, but before then make sure your layer is active, your dimension layer, select it. Alright, so click here. You see it's very small, so if you can't see and it's too small, just go to manage dimension style here, and then go to modify, go to test, change it to like 5, and then the arrows too, you can change it to like 5 or 4, the one that is suitable for you. Close it, and you see it's now clear. So let's continue the dimensioning. Let's dimension all the diameter. Okay, so now I'm going to pick the radius for this side of the work, and also I'll pick radius for this arc as well. Okay, and then radius for this one. Okay, this one is not showing at the right place. Let me try and position it well. Okay, let's delete it and do it again. So pick radius. Alright, and then I think we are done with the diameter and the, let's go for linear dimension. So the linear, I'll pick here and pick here 24. Let's dimension this one as well. Okay, so center to center of this one. $110, and then again from here to here is 24. Let me push this one in. Okay, $120. Alright, so if you check, I think everything is, and then there's a radius, this radius up here, so pick radius, dimension this one 10. Yeah, if you look at it, I think everything is done. This is the same as this, so I don't need to dimension it. If you like, you can dimension it. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share for more projects and tutorials like this. So let me dimension this side as well, which is 50. Let me bring this one here and bring this one here. Alright, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.